Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi from PrincetonTrader.com here for NTMarkets.com with your Wednesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, big day yesterday for the bulls, in my opinion. What we saw yesterday and what we talked about in yesterday's webcast was how important the middle band was going to be in the 1559 area, and we also talked about the double pivots, the 9-day and the 20-day coming in at 1560 half. And what we saw was a pullback to the 1560 half area right around 10 a.m. That area held, and the bulls were able to rip it. And what I put up on Twitter at that time was that the ball was in the bulls' court, and it was their job now to run with it essentially, and they should be able to do so as long as they kept 1559 underneath them, and that's exactly what they did. So where does this leave us now? The bears have given up tremendous ground here. They've given up the middle band, and they have opened up potentially a test of the 1593 area. We traded as high as 1577 yesterday, and if it wasn't for the issue with respect to the AP Twitter feed, there really wouldn't have been a downtick after that pullback to 1560 half. We've traded as high as 1579 this morning, and there's more green. So we have runaways here. We've done 3 big days in a row up off of the 1530.75. So we're up, 49 handles to peak price. We've got a triple pivot today that comes in at 1567 down to 1566 half. That's the daily, the 9-day, and the 20-day pivot. My expectation would be if that area gets tested, and that's a decent little pullback. I mean, that's a 10, 12, 13 handle pullback from the highs. That a move back to that level would be bought. If the pullback is even deeper than that, now the bulls have the middle band underneath them as support. So the 65 half to 1566 half to 67 level is support. 1561 to 1559 is support as well. So unless the bears can push this market down and then push it again, even below the middle band, there's really nothing to stop the bulls from going up now and testing 1593. A test of 1593 would be a simple move through the upper band, and then one of a few things will happen up here. Either we'll get a lower high, we'll double top, or we go ahead and make new highs and reach up into the 1600 area. That's a lot more questions really than there are answers at this point. What we do know now is that the bears have given up the middle band. The middle band is support, and we have triple pivots down at 67 to 66, and the pivot area yesterday served us very well as it was the launching point for a 17 handle rally. Give or take some Twitter bumps along the way. So that's what I'll be watching for today. Everybody have a fantastic day. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com for NTMarkets.com. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade them well, everybody.